What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Flawed 1500 YouTube channel, where I'm going to be kind of making a mini series on getting my Chevy ready for the show season, as well as maybe the lean rig. Might be doing some things to that, we'll see. But yeah, let's get right into it here. Now, if you're new here and you have no idea who I am, my name's Chase, aka Flawed 1500, and this is my 1977 Chevy C10 that's been with me now for, I think, close to 6, maybe, you know what, I'm not even gonna say it, you guys are gonna make it a meme, but close to 7 years now. It's on 22 by 12 spacers, got a stock 350 small block with fuel injection, some fancy things here and there, but it's not that nice. Like, it's nice, but there's nicer. But yeah, anyways, if you come inside here, I got basically a whole motor rebuild kit for that motor that needs to go in, and I just want to do some other little things to make it my own. So without further ado, let's play some musical trucks and get this truck in that bay, and then I gotta go to town and get some supplies for what I want to try today. Okay, so while the Chevy's in the warm side of the shop warming up, I'm gonna close the cold side, storage side, and I'll jump in the lean rig here and we'll head to town, get some supplies so I can attempt and see if I want to go through with what I want. I got an idea, but I don't know how it's gonna look, especially on an old truck, but you guys will see that here shortly. So I'll catch up with you guys once we're in town. Might have lied, might have went to town. I just got back. My bad. I didn't feel like filming in public. I'm not there yet. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, so if you see it, it's a miracle. But anyways, I got some thin line tape and some regular tape. If you can put 2 and 2 together, you'll know what I'm gonna do. But basically, if you come with me, as you see on the side of my truck, I got some Amazon clear side markers that are, normally they're filled with water, but I guess it's been sitting for a while. But basically my idea is taping off the LED strip and then painting the rest of it white. So it looks like there's not really any light on the side. The only thing that sucks is they don't really fit the best, so you might still see it. This fender's also seen a tire. There used to be a Band-Aid there, but it got washed off. But yeah. So basically my plan is to paint those white. I'm just going to use white spray paint for now just to see if I like it. And if I do, I'll order up some nicer ones and do a custom switchback LED in it. Just to kind of match the front, because the front currently has white to amber sequential switchbacks in it. And if I like how that looks, I might order up a new set of lenses for these and do a thin line on them too, because if I turn on my lights here, you can see these ones are amber and they don't light up all the way because they're Amazon, they filled up with water. But I'm just doing this to see if I like how it looks. But you can come here, you can see I did the white kind of strips in them. And then if I hit the turn signal here, they are sequential switchback, which I think is sick. I love it. The only thing I hate is how this one lights up amber and not white, and how it doesn't even come on with the turn signal. So I feel like by just painting the light, it'll look way cooler and way better, in my opinion. It'll give it a way cleaner look. But I don't know. I guess that's something we're going to see. Okay. So this one, I ordered these thinking I could cut off the lenses and get rid of the amber and switch it for a white, but I couldn't. So that's why these, I don't really care, because this one's all cut up and you can already like see the board. But yeah, that's what it used to look like, and then that's what it looks like now. But anyways, I'm gonna get these masked off. I'm gonna clean them just quick. I don't even think I'm gonna sand them. I'm just gonna paint them to see if I like them. Get some of this water out of them, because this one still has water apparently. But yeah, we'll do that. I'm just gonna put you guys in time-lapse mode. Nothing too exciting. I'm just masking off a light and painting the rest. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so the paint, I'm scared to touch it, but still a little tacky. We'll let it dry a little more, but other than that, that's all I'm really gonna do today. I was gonna pull the front wheels off, start painting, and I got some paint. I would want to paint all my inner fenders white with like red and white suspension underneath it. But I'll do that later. Probably when the motor's out, I might pull all the fenders and everything off, and it'll give me a lot more room in there. So, nothing else to really do here. Okay, I lied. I'm back. I got the lights in. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the biggest fan. In my head, it was gonna look a lot better. Could also be because it's not the same white. It's just like rattle can white. Not the same color, but I feel like the clear lens looked a lot better. Okay, so like I said, this is gonna be it for this video. Unless I go to Red Deer, I might throw some clips in. But thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to follow along on the rebuild of the Chevy, make sure you subscribe, like, comment what you want to see me do. Those lights, don't like them, gonna order some just clear lenses and not paint them. Clears looked way better. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know there wasn't a lot of content in this video. My first one, I'm still feeling it out. It's mostly like a trial run to see editing side and like learning how to film kind of thing. So don't really care if it doesn't do that good. I don't expect it to do that good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe if you want. I don't really care. I don't know how much I'm gonna post, so we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Maybe got some fresh snow. I'll let you guys hear the Chevy bark for a little bit.